Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at a new platform made specifically for print-on-demand and merch sellers called Vexels. I've been trying out Vexels for the past few months, and the tools, features, and especially the graphics they provide can really help newer experienced sellers build their business fast. They have similar tools to other platforms, like their t-shirt design maker, where you can use their pre-made templates to create custom t-shirt designs, their mockup generator, where you can upload your design to dozens of professional mockups, and their logo maker, where you can simply add your brand name to create an awesome logo in seconds. We'll cover all the Vexels tools in more detail in future videos. But what really sets Vexels apart is the custom designs and graphics they provide that you won't find anywhere else. Vexels has thousands of ready-to-use graphics, scalable PSD t-shirt designs, and templates that you can edit and add to your products. They actually have their own team of designers that create new designs daily that you can access and use once you join. This is great for new designers or for those that simply don't have the time to create new designs for products each day. They already have thousands of designs ready for you to use on their site, and when you download designs from Vexels, you also get a license for the design to sell on your print-on-demand products. Vexels has designs for almost any niche that you can think of, but if you don't see the type of design you're looking for, you can simply submit a design request to the Vexels team to have them create one for you. If you're not an artist or professional graphic designer, this will come in super handy while building your print-on-demand business. I've paid up to $50 for quality artists to create t-shirt designs for my print-on-demand products on sites like Upwork and Fiverr. But as a member of Vexels, you have the ability to request a custom t-shirt design for any niche you wish. Simply submit a request to the Vexels team, and they'll create an awesome design that you can edit and sell on the products in your store. Once you subscribe to Vexels, you'll have access to all the tools and designs you need to build your print-on-demand business. I've recently partnered with Vexels to work out special deals that are only available to our Quantum Courses community. When you use the link in the video description to join Vexels, you can unlock everything you need to build and grow your online merch business for 35% off the price that everyone else pays. By joining Vexels, you can access the design maker, the logo maker, the mockups generator, thousands of graphics for your designs, and the ability to request custom designs from the Vexels team, all for less than the price of one or two t-shirt designs on other sites. They have several plans available, so take a moment to click the link in the video description and check out the discounts available to our Quantum Courses community. So that's a quick overview of the Vexels platform for merch sellers. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.